right, what are we doing?
Making slime.
You're making
Zinc
slime.
sulfide
Yeah.
Oh my goodness.
tartaric acid.
Slime.
Okay, now we got 3 kinds of paint.
And
Okay, so what I want is what's cool with them?
Well, we have to know how to do it. That's the thing. So Daddy's going to read us the instructions, and as Daddy reads us the instructions, we're going to do everything.
All right.
I need scissors, probably. I didn't get scissors.
get scissors. You got it. You got it.
So we're going to make slime and some kind of
Yeah.
glow-in-the-dark Powerball crystals.
Yeah.
It's like it's a science project / fun
Yeah.
event.
Yeah.
Yep.
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right.
I'm
Okey-doke.
ready for this.
What is the first step?
So the first thing you want to do is
Bubble.
make sure you have a good work area. You know what I'm saying? Prepare your work area. We're gonna be outside, so it's not like we're gonna be making a huge mess inside. So if you're gonna do your slime inside, you're probably gonna want a tablecloth and some like floor coverings and stuff. We don't really care about it because it's outside.
Yep.
All right. So the first thing you're gonna make is the sodium tetrabate solution.
Okay.
All right. And to do that, you're gonna add 1 cup of warm water to your mixing bowl.
Okay. 1 cup of warm water.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. How is that?
We're using 2 half cups.
Yeah. Come with that.
Yep, coming up.
There we
Just
go.
like Xander
Yeah.
said. All
There
right.
it is. 1 cup.
And then you measure 1 teaspoon of sodium tetrabate and stir it into the water until it dissolves.
Okay.
1 teaspoon.
1 teaspoon.
1, 2.
Mommy.
And this may take several minutes, but it's important to dissolve all of it into the water. Make sure it's not like floating around in there. You gotta make sure it dissolves completely.
Okay. So we've got, who wants to pour it in once I get it measured? Who wants to pour it in?
Me. I do.
All right. Well, Xander said me first, so we're gonna let him first.
Phew.
All right. Take that and pour it in the blue bowl. Blue bowl. Pour it in. Yep. Pour it in the blue bowl.
All right.
Boom.
So the next thing, you want to stir it.
Stir it. There's little rocks down in there. You're gonna have to just baby stir it. Don't do it real hard. Just 1 teaspoon.
Yeah, just 1 teaspoon.
Okay.
I'm making a sign.
Yes. Can we do another step while this is dissolving, maybe?
Sure can.
Okay, so let's see. I'm gonna crunch up these little ones.
All right, so have Sienna do that one. Or
I'm just gonna crunch them up and just let it sit there, because
it needs to be stirred so it dissolves. You have to stir it. Just stir until it dissolves.
it's dissolved now. I just had to crunch up those little baby ones.
Can I see?
All right, so add 1 more cup of warm water to another mixing bowl.
All right, 1 more cup.
1 more cup.
Ugh.
One more cup of water to a mixing bowl.
All right, so measure 1 teaspoon of guar gum powder
Guar gum powder.
and
That's
gradually
this.
sprinkle it into the water while rapidly stirring.
Okay, so Sienna, you're going to be rapidly stirring
Start stirring.
while Mommy pours it in. Just 1 teaspoon?
Hmm?
A teaspoon?
Yeah, 1 teaspoon.
Okay, 1 teaspoon. right here.
Yeah.
Alright.
It is like a greenish powder.
You just handle.
What do we do with it?
Put it. Put it.
Hold on, we gotta get. You didn't get all the stuff.
What other stuff do we need?
Cups.
Oh, I get it. These
Disposable cups. I have to have a cup we can throw away.
Those little shot glass cups that we have, those need to be.
Big cups, sweetheart.
Oh, okay. Well, can I mix something or no?
Yeah, mix
Here, put the lid on that and
shake it.
yeah, shake it.
Shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it.
I like how he likes to say
shake
I
it.
didn't get everything. Like I was the only one that was supposed to be involved in the
Shake it,
preparations here.
shake it.
Look at the camera. That's pretty cool. So we've used sodium tetrabinate, traborinate, guar gum. We still have tartaric acid, baking soda, zinc sulfide, and all of the Powerball crystals.
2 cups.
Stop by cars and Paw Patrol.
Popsicle. Popsicle.
Alright, so
What's next?
you pour a third. Alright, so you're gonna have to take the lid off, stir it some more.
Okay.
Get all the chunkies out of it.
Okay.
Make sure there's no chunkies.
I was trying to do that, but the chunkies are hard.
Let mommy do it.
Do you have to pour something in this?
Yep. Well,
Oh.
you're supposed to put a third of that into the cup, and then put all of the. It says slowly pour the entire package of zinc sulfide into the guar gum solution, and stir until it is evenly distributed throughout. The zinc sulfide will not dissolve in the guar gum solution, so stir until properly mixed.
Oh, Lord, okay. Our guar gum just might have some little chunkies in it. Because it's guar gummed up. Like, I don't know if I can even stir it. Like, I'm smushing it and everything, and it's...
No, you're supposed to sprinkle it in a little at a time.
Well, I did! I think it'll be okay.
Okay.
Okay, so how much? A third of it?
A third.
Okay, so let's see. About right there. In a cup. I need a cup. Hand me a cup. Sorry. Okay, there's a third. And now what do we do with it? Sprinkle all of the what?
Hold on. Zinc sulfide.
Is it
Zinc
my turn?
sulfide powder. Yes, I'm gonna let you sprinkle all of this in there, okay?
All of it?
Yes.
Here, hold it like this. And pour it in there.
Put
All of it in there. Good job. You stir it? You stir it? Yes, stir it. Just stir. He's not listening.
Yes, just stir until it's not going to dissolve. So
Just
you have to
stir
make
it all
it
in.
evenly mixed.
Okay, just keep stirring, Kaylani. Get down at the bottom real good. Keep stirring. All right, what's next?
Me.
You're next.
Yes.
It says you will obtain better results if you wait 10 to 15 minutes and stir rapidly every few minutes.
Okay.
What change do you observe? You are creating a cross-linked polymer chemical reaction that is similar to the reaction performed when you made... Oh, we didn't do that.
These are all the Powerball crystals. So we'll make a Powerball crystal for each of you, okay?
Okay. Mommy,
What was this mixture for that we made?
can I go first?
Can you go what? Can you go first? So we're pouring some green
Yeah.
Powerball
Cannibal.
crystals
Cannibal kisses.
into the mold.
Yeah, into the mold. Is that Xander's?
Yeah, we're gonna do Xander's first.
Yeah.
Okay.
and Sissy looks orangey, and Xander looks greeny. But mine look pink, and the orange look like pink.
This is the Powerball.
Powerball!
Powerball.
Mine is green, cause
Yeah, yours is green.
yeah.
We gotta let it sit here. Don't leave it alone. We're gonna let it sit here. It's gonna dry, okay?
Yeah.
All right. Whose Powerball's next?
Green.
What color are we doing?
Mine pink.
There's glow in the dark, clear, and then there's regular orange. Or there's more glow in the dark, green.
Hold on.
You wanna do orange?
That's what color my slime is. Wait, is this slime?
No, that's not slime. Oh,
What is this?
that's just an experiment. It's like an experiment.
Oh no! What's happening? What's happening? Oh my gosh.
Nothing's happening to mine.
We could make more slime
Yeah.
with the Gar-Gar.
I want to make more slime.
I want to make more slime.
Can I make more slime over here?
Is that one mine?
All right, so let's see.
This is so fun.
All right, here's this.
Can I go get some mango now? It's chunky. It's funky.
I want more slime.
You can play with that slime. You basically made that slime.
Oh, okay. This is my slime. Oh my gosh.
Did it expand? Look, look, look,
Oh
look,
my
look,
gosh!
look. Look, I can't. Hold it down. It's like expanding. It's flubber, guys.
It's flubber.
Oh, it's gonna pop by itself. It's gonna pop. It's gonna pop. Holy crap.
It just went in.
That's pretty cool.
Can I use my hand?
Yeah.
I can't get it out unless it's a table.
Can I color mine?
What color? It's already glow in the dark.
Oh, okay.
You want to make it orange and then glow in the dark?
Yeah. I'll just add a little bit of orange.
Can we mix it up?
Yes.
I want to mix mine up. I mixed it.
Yes. Come mix your slime, Xander. I made you some slime.
There we go.
Okay.
I put some paint, some glow in the dark paint in it.
Mix it.
Mix
Here,
it up.
Let me help you. Take a drink. You have a drink first.
Gooey, ooey, and boo.
Alright.
It looks like snot.
It does it.
Yes.
No, it's not.
No. No, these in
I like mine how it has like a
That's
little bit
just those little,
of orange in it.
those little.
Just continue.
Mix it up good.
It looks kind of gooey. I think
I think you need more.
that you suck.
I think you need more stuff.
Me?
They both do.
I think hers is good.
He needs more.
Just a couple
Mine
drops at
good?
a time. Yeah, yours is good. I think yours is good.
Okay.
It's not supposed to stick to your fingers.
Oh my gosh, it's sticky.
Mine's not sticking.
Is it, Sienna?
Huh?
Is it supposed to stick to your fingers?
No,
So keep mixing then.
but just a little bit can stick. It's fine. It's a little bit.
Mine is sticky.
See, this is good. Like it just comes off by itself.
Don't need to use that one.
Just use the one he's mixing with. It's fine.
For the water?
It's just supposed to be like just a couple drops at a time
You
because
see
it'll
how
overactivate
It
itself.
can stick, like how it's sticking, but it just comes off by itself.
I think yours is good now, Kalani.
Okay.
Let me see it because you don't want to overactivate it either.
No.
Is
Yeah,
mine?
that's good.
Is mine?
Okay, yours is good.
My king is my ball is
Let's see
guys.
your slime, Sienna.
My
Slime master.
And it's glow in the dark, so if you keep it in your little jar at nighttime, it'll glow. All of y'all's will glow.
my
You know what we should
ball
do?
guys.
Actually, Sienna's might be the only one that goes.
Should mix
Mine
them all
is
together.
guys.
No.
My green is
Sienna
guys.
said no, I want to keep my slime.
Mommy,
What?
my green is guys.
Whoa.
Yeah.
Let's see what it does. I mean, you'll
I
have like
didn't want
50.
my slime
Oh, you know what you
green.
should do? You should add your other slime to it.
What other slime?
The slime that we got you guys for
Glittery
Easter.
slime? Like, glittery slime?
No, you should add it and see what it does.
Yeah. Okay. Let's do that. Then go get it.
She,
Go get
she
it.
said, then go get it, Daddy.
Go get it, Daddy. Daddy. Go get it, Daddy.
Don't get mine. Don't get mine.
Go get mine. Go get mine. Get mine. Go get mine.
Yours?
Theirs are in
Yes.
their bedroom on their dresser.
Yours, Andrew?
Because I didn't want
No, I
my
don't want mine.
green.
Isn't that cool?
Yeah,
You
but
can put it on
I
the table. No, it's not dry yet.
Oh, I
It's got
can
to
put it
get
on
dry.
the table?
Yeah. Okay. Once it's dry, then you can play with it.
it's like a bouncy ball.
Yes, but it's got to get dry.
Whenever I didn't want my slime green, but I'm getting sparkly. Oh,
Okay.
a snake is here to get
The snake is here.
He ate a human. Ah! And you can kick it into little pieces. Oh. Mommy!
Oh, I didn't get yours. Is yours in their room?
No, it's mine. No.
You said that you didn't want yours.
Yeah, I know.
So why would I get yours?
I don't know. I didn't notice you heard.
So. Mine is pink.
Yours is a little pinker.
Yeah.
Whoa, That's nasty. That's kind of what that looks like. What'll be cool is that it'll glow in the dark.
Yeah. I'm putting it in the jar.
It literally just comes straight out.
Straight out. So I'm gonna. Then you gotta go with it.
I don't
You're
know.
gonna mix all of it?
You want to mix it all together or no?
Just a little bit.
Yeah.
What's that? See what it does. Mix it with this.
Mix it with the other one. You gotta pick it up and smush it together, Goober.
Okay. Give me mine.
It looks like it's not gonna mix.
I know, that's what I was about to say. Try that. I don't know if it's gonna mix or not.
Some slimes don't mix.
All right, so glitter slime.
Store-bought
And-
glitter slime
Store-bought glitter slime does not mix.
and homemade slime doesn't really mix.
Oh, well, it looks like it's kind of mixing over there.
No.
Nope,
No.
just makes a mess. Xander's
Literally,
dropping
look.
his everywhere.
Look, it just comes apart. It won't even like attach it together.
Xander took his out. He said,
Yeah.
yeah, we're just going to put that back in there.
Yeah, let's just put, because homemade slime's a little different than store-bought slime.
Yep, store-bought slime's trash.
Ow.
Here, this is your homemade slime.
Woohoo!
All right, so you guys got slime. That's how you make slime, guys.
We bought a little kit. There's a ton of different ways that you can make slime. We bought a little kit because it's got some science stuff about different reactions and different things, but you don't have to do it that way. You can spend $5 and get Elmer's glue and some
Yeah,
contact solution
you.
and make
Yeah,
slime.
dude.
So we just wanted it to be a little different, a little bit more about learning and about chemical reactions and things. So yeah.
Slime-tastic slimers.
Fantastic. I can't wait to see what that one looks like in the dark. Like we need to take a clip of it later on and put it in there too, so
Yeah.
that people can see like how it glows in the dark. And we've got to show them our power balls. Look at our power balls. These are little polymer
king?
balls that we made,
Is it king?
and they're going to be
Bouncy
bouncy balls whenever they're all dry.
Is it king?
It's clean, but it's got to dry. It's gonna dry, and then once it dries, it'll bounce. We've got another one making right here. This is Kaylani's. It's making.
Look.
See?
Ooh.
All right.
Mine can't do it.